Hi there. You might think that your mouthwash is good for you because it says antiseptic or antibacterial, but do you realize that that means that it kills all bacteria in your mouth indiscriminately, when only a few of the different types are actually harmful, in other words, could cause illness or cavities. The rest are part of your natural microbiome and are good for you. So here's a recipe for a natural mouthwash. It works out to be way more cost effective than a store-bought one. So I use a glass jar of about 500 mils of cooled boiled water. To this bottle I add a quarter of a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and then a few drops of essential oil. A popular one to use would be peppermint for fresh breath. You could also use dōTERRA's On Guard Immune Boosting Blend. My personal favorite is spearmint. So I'm going to just put a couple of drops in, about 5 or so. And then you just put the stopper back in, give the jar a good shake, and you're good to go. The bonus is that it's a therapeutic mouthwash. Not only do essential oils know the difference between good and bad bacteria, but when you use them every day as part of a proactive daily healthcare routine, the health of your whole body will be leveled up. So give this DIY mouthwash recipe a try and let me know in the comments what you think. If you'd like to hear more tips about using essential oils proactively in your life every day for health, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Sian Davidson. I'll see you later.